We will discuss two problems in this video. Exactly, we will try to find out number of solutions for these two equations. Let us consider the first one. The first equation is 3 to the power x equals to x plus 2. So how many real solutions are there? So how to find? First I will consider left hand side 3 to the power x, one function f1x equals to 3 to the power x. And right side this expression f2 of x equals to x plus 2. Now we can plot these two functions separately in the same graph, and when they will intersect, then only they will have the same values. Okay, so this equation solution is nothing but number of times these two functions will intersect each others. So number of solution is number of intersection of these two functions. Now we can draw these two functions. So first one is very simple. f1x is 3 to the power x. It's an exponential function, growing function. At minus infinity, it will be 3 to the power minus infinity is 0. At 0, 3 to the power 0 is 1. So this value is 1. And then it is growing exponentially. Even it is faster rate with respect to e to the power x, because e value is 2.7 something. Okay, so this is faster than that e to the power x. So this is a growing function passing through this point 0, 1, and it is growing, and this side it is 0. That is very simple to understand. Next one, this one f2 of x, it is a straight line equation, so we can draw this one easily. Okay, its slope is 1. It shows that slope this is 1, and it will intersect y-axis at 2. This is 2. Okay, its slope is 1, meaning is that if it is 2, this height is 2, here also it should be minus 2. This is 2. Okay, so the slope is 1 and it will pass through 0, 2. Okay, as this point is more than this point, obviously it is straight line and it is growing rapidly, they are going to cut here and they are going to cut another point here. And this point is very easy to find, because if I replace x equal to 1 here, 3 to the power 1 equals to 3, and right side if I replace x equal to 1 here, 1 plus 2 equal to 3 again. It implies that this curve, it will have a point 1, 3. Again, this straight line also it is having 1 point 1, 3. They have common point, so one solution is x equal to 1. That is very easy to find out. But next solution, this one is very close to minus 2, but it is difficult to find exact solutions. But we can understand that it is going to cut again one more time here. So number of solution is 2. Okay, that was the problem. How many solutions we'll get? We'll get 2 real solutions for this problem. Now we'll consider second problem. Now here this third bracket corresponds to greatest integer function. What is this? Suppose if I have 3.7, its greatest integer value, its integer value is 3. So 3 is an integer and this is decimal point. So 3.7 we replace by 3 only, its integer value is 3. Okay. Similarly, 9.1, its greatest value, integer value is 9. Similarly, 0.5, its integer is 0. And note here, minus 2.5, its integer value is minus 3. Because these 2.5, minus 2.5 will lie within minus 3 to minus 2. So it will start from minus 3. Thus, its integer value is this one. Because this thing you can write minus 3 plus 0.5. Thus integer is minus 3. Be careful here. And again, you can see here, this one, this third bracket x plus 2. Okay. So what is this? Suppose if I add 2 here, 3.7 plus 2, it will become 5.7. And the greatest integer will be 5. Okay. And this greatest integer is 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5 again. Okay, so thus if I add one integer value here, that we can take separately like this. So this greatest integer x plus 2 I can write as greatest integer of x only plus 2 separately. That we can do. Okay, now we can simplify this equation. I'll get this is squared is fine. This is 2 and 2 is 4. 4 minus 7 is minus 3 here. Okay, it is 2 times of greatest integer value of x. Now we can have factors of these equations. Okay, easily we can find factors. One factor will be this one, another factor will be this one. This is plus, this is minus, because this is given here plus sign. Okay, now what are the solutions of this equation? This could be, this greatest integer value of x could be 1, or greatest integer value of x could be minus 3. But don't make any mistake. So you can't say that number of solution of this equation is 2, because solution means solution of x, not solution of greatest integer value of x. This is given here, greatest integer value of x should take 1, or it can take minus 3. So what is the x value here for this one? So when you will get greatest integer value of x equals to 1. So this one you will get for this interval 1 to 2, because at 1 it is also 1, 1.1 it is also 1, 1.5 is also 1, till 2. All the values from starting from 1 up to 2, 2 is excluded. Okay, within this interval this greatest integer value is always 1. Similarly for this one, its greatest integer value will start from, this range will start from minus 3 to minus 2. This is open interval. Okay, it will start from minus 3 and up to minus 2, and minus 2 is not closed. Okay, so here you can see that all the points within the interval, these two intervals, they are the solutions. So how many solutions are there? Infinitely many solutions. Okay, not only 2 solutions, don't make a mistake here. So exactly you will find infinitely many solutions. Whenever you will get this kind of problems, generally you will be getting infinitely many solutions. If this video is useful, please press the like button, and you may subscribe the channel if you want to get this kind of videos in future. Thanks for watching.